Okay, so this is my garage right now. I have the lights off. Don't worry, the video is working. Let's see how many starts it takes to get these things to start. Okay, well I got 3 of them on. Here's what one of them looks like. These are rapid start U-bend T12s from 1985. These were from a previous house my parents lived in before they moved here in 2000. These were put in this garage in 2013 after having been in storage by that point for about 13 years. Seems like that one in the back just refuses to start. Yeah, that one in the back just refuses to start, but these other ones, sometimes I can get them to start. I think it's just the high humidity in here that really just messes with them. I'm probably going to end up just getting rid of these and replacing with LEDs. I will keep the old fixtures though. They'll just be in the collection instead of being in service.